Okay, and then for the last two of the review for inequalities and absolute value, we're going to go ahead and solve some absolute value, two equations. So for 14, we have m plus 5. So this whole absolute value over here is by itself. There's no numbers around it. So I can write m plus 5 equals, and m plus 5 equals twice. And then all I do is I take that 7 and write it down here, and then I change it to its opposite and put the negative 7 over here, and then I solve both equations. So if I subtract 5, m gives me 2. And if I subtract 5 here, m gives me negative 12. So I can write m equals 2, comma, negative 12. Okay? So just remember, everything inside the inequality, or in the absolute value, stays the same. Just change that number to a negative over here. So a positive 7 and then a negative 7. Okay, last one for 15. To get the absolute value by itself, right here, I got to get rid of this negative 3. So I divide both sides by negative 3. And I get the absolute value of 5d equals, and then if I divide that, I get negative 5. Well, since this is a negative, we can't have that. Can't have absolute value equal a negative. Not possible. Okay? So this is absolute value. Cannot equal a negative. It's not true. Cannot equal a negative. Okay? Exclamation mark. So we put that there is no solution since it equals a negative.